We are Neotech, a passionate team of young innovators on a mission to make space learning exciting and accessible for students aged 8 to 16. Our goal is to transform curiosity into discovery through augmented reality. What makes us unique? We blend creativity, technology, and NASA's open data to build immersive educational experiences that spark wonder about our universe. Many students find it difficult to visualize the solar system or understand how solar flares and coronal mass ejections affect Earth. The topic often remains abstract and distant, yet these solar events can disrupt satellites, power grids, and even create stunning auroras. Through NASA's challenge, we wanted to help students not only learn, but experience these phenomena up close. Our solution is an augmented reality app that lets students explore the solar system interactively. They can view 3D models of planets, watch the sun emit solar flares, and see how these affect Earth, all using their mobile devices. By learning through visualization and play, complex science becomes simple and engaging. We developed the app in Unity using AR Foundation and NASA resources. We integrated authentic data from NASA's How Solar Flares Affect Earth and additional solar datasets to ensure scientific accuracy. The app architecture is designed for scalability, allowing new AR modules like lunar phases or asteroid tracking to be added later. Our approach combines accurate space science with engaging interactivity.